Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate your Optus prepaid SIM card. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Activate Optus prepaid SIM. Click the official Optus website link. You'll need your Optus SIM card, a valid ID, a 4G or 5G compatible phone. Next, click Get Started. Enter your SIM number found on the SIM pack. Then follow the steps. Select your plan, enter your details, and verify your ID. Review and confirm activation. Once done, your SIM will be activated shortly and you're good to go. And that's it. That's how to activate your Optus prepaid SIM card. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.